Starting in the 1970s, when victims' rights were starting to come into being in the United States, the first idea was, let's just pass generalized rights, but you couldn't do a lot with them. The idea of enforcing those in court was really problematic. In the last 10 years, we figured out how to fix it, and that is to make sure that the rights which are personally held by the victim could be enforced in court. Victims had statutory rights for a very long time. The problem with them is twofold. First, they're not in the Constitution, which means that a court, when faced with someone else's constitutionalized rights, doesn't even have to consider the victim's statutory rights. The second challenge with only having statutory rights that aren't clearly enforceable is if someone violates those rights, the victim can't challenge that, which means they can essentially be erased from their own case. The difference between having enforceable rights and not having enforceable rights is really everything to a victim. So when a survivor has an enforceable right, he, she, or they gets to stand up and say, I'm here, give me my rights.